Assalamualaikum everybody, welcome to another beautiful vlog. So basically मैं खाने जा रही थी but then I thought कि I should just go and look at the texture because जिस दिन मैंने शेप बनाया था just उसी दिन के बाद बहुत तेज़ बारिश आई थी. So oh my god, look at the texture. Last time मैंने एक टब शेप बनाई थी. लाइक लिटरली पूरी तरह से तबाह हो गया है ये तो. You can't say after looking at the shape that it was any day a tub. Okay, so I will just do the powder play of this because it looks so pretty due to the stony texture on top of it. So yeah, and I guess उस दिन बारिश आई थी और उसके अगले 2 दिन से फिर अच्छी धूप निकल रही है. So I should be like making the video after I guess 1 or 2 days ताकि एटलीस्ट ये भी थोड़ा सा ड्राई हो जाए. तो इसको भी एज स्क्रैचिंग मैं एक वीडियो अपलोड कर दूँगी एंड मे बी इट बी सेटिस्फाइंग, मे बी नॉट, but whatsoever. Let's talk about the weather. It's pretty sunny today and just look at the beautiful clouds जो कि एक दो ही हैं because the weather is not any so cloudy today. It's just pretty blue sky everywhere and along with that I love to enjoy my lovely meal. So yeah, this is not a crumbling vlog. It's just like a talking vlog, talking to you, enjoying the weather, updating about the weather. Look at the plants. So yeah, I guess I should end the vlog over here, or should I do the crumbling of that texture in vlog? Well, honestly I have some exams now and it's really tough to actually take out time for crumbling and organizing things. So that's the reason I'm not going to make another shades of the texture yet, knowing that there won't be any other rainfall because I guess the weather is pretty good now. Just look at it. It's so pretty. The stones, the everything. It's little but cute and lovely. And I really feel like touching the textures, but I don't think I should because if I start the crumbling and scratching stuff then I'll go making a around 10 minutes video of this. So I should rather leave it because I have too much to study right now. Still, let us just do a little bit of like texture layer in this clay pot. I didn't leave any texture in the clay pot at all, but it's like a lot of texture stored away right now. I would really like to know if like you guys like crumbling with one hand because I don't have a tripod right now. So usually I ask my sister to film the video or either I just film it myself with crumbling with just one hand. So that like at times it is unsatisfying even to watch videos where the crumbling is just being done with one hand. So if you guys like just tell in the comments that do you even find it as irritating as I find videos which are crumbled with one hand. So I could actually update things, purchase a tripod, like things like just take me quick to 1,000 subscribers and the watch time, so I just start getting my own earnings so that I can purchase things. Okay, now let's do a little bit of Facebook. Okay, I guess this much is enough. Like, yeah, obviously I'm very you can say confused because I'm not doing it all proper crumbling and even leaving mess behind that way rather than making any new shapes, because I don't know if like rain would return or stuff like that. So yeah, I'm really sorry for that. Actually, I am having exams, plus I just have that little bit of texture of mine, so I won't be really able to. Well, whatsoever, I guess that was it for today. Just look at the pretty weather, and I've been just showing this since these 5 minutes. Thank you so much for watching the vlog. I hope that my channel and my videos and my content provides you satisfaction and relief. Take care and bye bye.